Common singing mistake number 2. So let's say you're singing along to your favorite song in your living room or your kitchen or even your shower, wherever it is you sing, and you know there's a big part coming up or there's a high note coming up, and you know you got to get yourself ready. So you're going to take a big breath and get ready to sing, and it looks a little something like this. Right? I need a big breath, so I'm gonna take a big breath. And then you go to sing, and it sounds a little like a screaming chicken, and you still can't quite reach that note. And you say to yourself, what am I doing wrong? I got a big breath, right? I got plenty of breath. You see me reaching for that note. I'm reaching for that note. My name is Peggy Meckling-Baker, and I am a voice teacher. It's mostly one-on-one instruction online now, but over the years, I have taught and sung alongside lots of amateur singers, and I know a little something about common mistakes. So this video series is meant to help amateur singers improve their voice by highlighting common mistakes and then providing some tips so that you can improve your voice right there in your home. You hear a lot about breath support in singing. I can't tell you how many new students come to me and the first thing out of their mouth is, I just need help with breath support, or I don't feel like I get enough air, or I don't think I'm breathing right. It's a very common thing. I'm going to give you 2 tips in this video that is going to help you to more easily develop your breath support right now, right? And if you're ready, we're going to get started with one right away. So get up out of your chair and stand up on your 2 feet, feet shoulder width apart, knees not locked, but stand with a nice straight spine. Just don't lock your knees. So if you need to check yourself, you can bend your knees a little bit like this. See me going up and down to make sure your knees aren't locked. Now I want you to take one hand and put it on your upper abdomen up here. And now I'm going to turn to the side so you can see exactly what I'm doing when I do this. And you're going to try to mimic what I'm doing. All right? So here's the instruction. Push your belly out in order to make that hand go past your rib cage. Just push your belly out like that. Push your belly in. Well, it's not pushing, it's pulling it back in. Push it out, pull it in. All right, so you have to do that without moving your back. So you can't do this. You can't do this. We're not using the back to do this. You're using your stomach muscle. You're pushing that muscle out. I know we're all taught to suck in our bellies, so it's not something we're used to doing, but you need to learn to do this. Push the belly out, suck it back in. Push the belly out. See that? Suck it back in. And if you do it right, what you're doing is you're isolating the diaphragm. That is your diaphragm. And if you're doing it right, you'll realize that in order to push the diaphragm out, you have to take a breath in to push it out. So you're breathing in as that belly goes out, and then you're breathing out as that belly goes in. You see it? All right, so that's tip number 1. Don't do that more than like 2 or 3 times because you'll hyperventilate and I don't want you passing out on my watch. So tip number 1 is for you to get in touch with that diaphragm, right? Simple thing. Tip number 2 is really about that big breath that you take, right? When you're getting ready for the big part and you're telling yourself you need a big breath, or maybe you're in a community choir and your director says you need a big breath for this because it's a long note, and you do that thing where you go, right? So the problem with that is, in one word, tension. Because most people, when they take a big air into their chest like that, you're huffing into your chest, and everything is tense. You're tensed all the way up into your shoulders and into your neck, and you cannot sing when this area is all tense. So the next time you think about taking a big breath for that big part coming up, or the next time somebody tells you you need a big breath for this, I want you to think of something else instead. One word: relax. Just relax. You need to relax your shoulders. You need to relax your neck so your neck is all nice and loosey-goosey. You cannot sing if there is tension anywhere here and here. So the tension, when people talk about breath support, the tension is actually coming from down here, from that diaphragm muscle. If this part is tense, it's not gonna sound good. So I'm gonna show it to you in practice now. All right, you ready? I'm gonna sing the same exercise in both ways. First, I'm gonna sing it correctly. I'm gonna sing it. You're gonna watch me take a breath in. You're gonna watch how my shoulders stay exactly where they are. My neck stays exactly where it is. My chin stays exactly where it is. And I'll sing the exercise like that. You ready? I can sing that note. I can sing that note. I can sing that note. You see? Head never goes like this. Shoulders stay down. Shoulders never go like this. Chest never goes out, right? Now, I'm going to do it the other way. I'm going to do it with that big breath that you think you're supposed to be taking. Ready? I can't sing that note. I can't sing that note. I can't sing that note. See? I can't sing that note. I can't sing it like that. I can't sing, I can't hit those notes if there's any tension here or if I'm straining my neck here. So there you are. It was a twofer. 2 tips for the price of 1. Look, if you like my video, please hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more videos, hit subscribe, because then if you click notifications, you'll get notified when I make a new video. Again, my name is Peggy Meckling-Baker. I do one-on-one piano as well as voice instruction online, so I can teach you no matter where you live. CapCityPianoandVoice.com. That's my website. That's where you can get more information. Thanks. See you next time.